In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of SEO and how it can help improve your website in search engine results. So, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is a process of improving the visibility of a website in a search engine's unpaid results. This is done through a variety of tactics, including optimizing your website's content and structure, using credible backlinks, and of course, relevant keywords. But why is SEO important? Well, when people usually search for things online, they turn to search engines like Google. And if your website is ranking well in search results, you'll be more likely to get traffic and potential customers. In fact, studies have shown the higher the website ranks in search results, the more likely it is to be visited by a potential customer. Essentially, if your business is not on the first page of Google, then plan on finishing last. So how do you do SEO? There are many different tactics you can use to improve your website's ranking in search results. The general 3 concepts that you should focus on are on-page optimization, off-page optimization, and tracking and measuring results. On-page optimization. This includes optimizing your website's content and structure, including the use of relevant and targeted keywords. By doing keyword research, optimizing your title tags and meta description, using appropriate headings and subheadings, creating informative and useful content, and optimizing your website's images and videos, you can effectively improve your website's ranking in search results. Tools that'll help you do on-page optimization are Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ubersuggest. Off-page optimization. This includes building high-quality backlinks from other websites, as well as engaging with your audience on social media and other platforms. Essentially, activities outside of your website. A. Link building. Referring to the process of acquiring high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites. To build high-quality backlinks, you can engage with other websites or bloggers within your industry, create informative and valuable content, and participate in online and community forums. B. Social media. By using social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, you can increase your website's visibility, reach, and engagement. You can also use social media to build relationships with your audience and drive traffic to your website. C. Local listings. If you have a local business, it is important to optimize your website for local search results. You can do this by creating and optimizing local listings on platforms such as Google My Business, Yelp, and the Yellow Pages. D. Reputation management, which refers to the process of monitoring and improving your website's reputation online. This can be done through a variety of tactics, including responding to customer reviews and feedback, engaging with your audience on social media and other platforms, and monitoring your website's mentions online. And that's essentially off-page optimization. 3. Tracking and measuring results. It is important to track and measure the results of your SEO efforts to ensure you're getting a good return on investment. This can be done through analytics tools such as Google Analytics, as well as through customer feedback and engagement metrics, such as time spent on your website, bounce rate, click-through rate, conversion rate, and so on. In conclusion, search engine optimization is the most important part of your digital marketing strategy and will help you improve the visibility of your website in search engine results, generating traffic, engagement, and revenue. By following best practices and tracking and measuring your results, you can effectively improve your website's ranking and drive more traffic and potential customers. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe. I'm Saad Halder from AV Marketer. Till next time.